Upper Düden Waterfalls Park in Antalya is a stunning natural attraction that draws visitors with its breathtaking beauty and tranquil atmosphere. Located just outside the city center, this picturesque spot offers an escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life into a serene environment surrounded by lush greenery and cascading waterfalls. The Upper Düden Falls are part of a larger system of falls along the Düden River, which flows through Antalya's Karin Cave National Park before eventually reaching the Mediterranean Sea at Lower Düden Falls near Konya Alt Beach. The upper section features several smaller but equally impressive drops where crystal clear waters tumble down rocky cliffs into pools below. Visitors can enjoy walking trails that wind their way alongside these magnificent formations, providing ample opportunities for photography or simply relaxing amidst nature's splendor. There are also picnic areas scattered throughout the park, making it perfect for families looking to spend quality time together outdoors while enjoying delicious meals prepared beforehand. In addition to being visually appealing, Upper Düden Waterfalls Park holds cultural significance as well, since ancient civilizations once inhabited nearby regions such as Chermesers and Cluj. Today, tourists visiting Turkey often include stops here during excursions exploring historic sites within close proximity like Eskindos Theater or Olympus archaeological site further east towards Kana district. Overall, whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, history lessons, or all three combined, this hidden gem tucked away between mountains provides something special for everyone who visits.
Прямо ходить купатися на мене. Знаю. Dur annem.